Try these tips to waste less food. Whether you're cooking for one or simply find that at the end of the week you're wasting a lot of food, I have 4 tips for you for wasting less starting at the grocery store. First is to shop at the deli or meat counter to get exact portions. This way, you can buy exactly what you need for your recipes of the most perishable items at the grocery store. Number 2 is shop in the bulk food section. Similar to shopping at the deli counter, this allows you to buy exact portions of the food that you need. Oftentimes, the food that is in the bulk food section is non perishable, so you can buy as large or small portions as you need. You can also bring your own containers or reuse the containers that you had last time to reduce your plastic waste. Number 3 is buy food that's on sale. If you'd like to reduce food waste overall and save some money while you're at it, purchase food that's in the sale or clearance section. Tip number 4 is to shop with an organized shopping list. When you shop from an organized list rather than at random, you reduce the amount of random things that you're buying at the grocery store that don't correspond to any of your recipes, and you're not sure when you're going to eat them. Shopping from a list gives the items that you buy at the grocery store a purpose so that you end up using them in the recipes that you're making that week rather than letting things go to waste. And I'm looking at you, Spring Mix. A bonus tip that's not necessarily about food waste is to bring your grocery bags to the store. The average American household takes home 1,500 plastic bags a year. So every time you remember to bring your reusable bags to the store, you're wasting a lot less plastic. Give these tips a try and start using more of what you buy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in another video.